Hi everyone! Today I will share with you how I make my vegetable harvest last for the whole winter, saves money, and keep us healthy. First, I make sure that I wash my vegetables thoroughly. So, my Swiss chard, I'm going to just slice it and put it in a Ziploc bag and just put it directly to the freezer. So this bag right here is gonna be for soup. There you go. It's ready for freezer. I make sure that I write down the date and the name of the vegetables that's going inside it. And make sure to use a freezer bag. So here's my Malabar spinach. It's ready to go for freezer as well. In here, I'm making homemade pasta sauce using lots of tomatoes, herbs, and peppers. Then I have vegetable soup with lots of greens and lots of herbs from the garden as well. Smells so delicious. We also make breakfast omelette often, with lots of tomatoes and peppers as well, and with herbs. And last but not the least, I make sure that we have dried herbs to consume for the whole winter. So you might all wonder what we're doing with all these vegetables that we harvest from the backyard. So with the tomatoes, I always like to freeze it like this. And just put in the freezer, slice it, put it in the freezer. I have at least 5 packs already in the freezer. This would last us for the rest of the winter. Same with the beans. This is the long-yard beans. This is already in the freezer. I just took it out to show you. So this is what I do. I cut it and just put it in the freezer as well. Anytime that we need it, we just go in the freezer and get some veggies. This is a bag of spring onions. I have 3 bags of spring onions in here. And the same thing, what I do with this is just freeze it. And when I need it, just same thing, go out the freezer. So in here I have Malabar spinach and Swiss chard. So we have a lot of supply of vegetable during winter as well, which is I'm very happy because this is from my garden and I know I don't use chemical or any insecticide on my vegetables. So I know that my food is clean as well. So this is what I do and this is what we have. We have all the food all through the summer and then extended into the whole winter. All right. Thank you for watching. My name is Enrica and I'll see you on my next video. Please subscribe, okay? Bye!